Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Workload Assessment Creation Tutorial. Log into the tool, you will land onto the listing page. Click plus to create the assessment. Give your assessment a name. Let's say you have Teradata as your source enterprise data warehouse for which you want to assess the DML scripts. Select ETL script to assess your ETL scripts. Upload the DML scripts. The right side help panel highlights the field in yellow to assist you better. Select your ETL type. Now, upload the ETL scripts. Select the target platform you want to move to. This provides additional options for more insights for target schema optimization recommendations. Let's go to recommendation settings. Go with default or configure your thresholds that baselines the recommendation of ideal migration candidates. Selecting My Saved preset. Your assessment status changes from running to success within seconds. See the next tutorial which shows analysis and recommendations. Thanks for watching.